है આજે પણ તમારી આંગળી પકડી હું ચાલવા માંગુ છું. નાના નાના હાથોથી તમારી આંગળી પકડી હું ચાલી છું. પણ આ જગતની ચાલથી હજી હું અંજાન છું. મારો હાથ તમારા હાથમાં મૂકીને આ ચાલ શીખવા માંગુ છું. આજે પણ તમારી આંગળી પકડી હું ચાલવા માંગુ છું. સારા સંસ્કાર, સારા સુવિચાર આપ્યા, પણ અનુભવ તમારી પાસે રહી ગયો. વર્ષો પછી જે મળે છે એ અનુભવ તમારી પાસે રહી ગયો. તમારો અનુભવનો હું લાભ લેવા માંગુ છું. આજે પણ તમારી આંગળી પકડી હું ચાલવા માંગુ છું. ધીમા ધીમા પગલાં ધીરેથી તેજ થઈ જાય. બાળપણનો સાથ તો ધીમેથી છૂટી જાય. તેજ પગલાં જો તમારા ધીમા પડી જશે, વૃદ્ધવસ્થા તમને પણ ધીરેથી આંબી જશે. ધીમા ધીમા તમારા પગલાંને ગતિ હું આપવા માગું છું. તમારો હાથ પકડીને તમને જ હું ચલાવવા માગું છું. So these are the ashayas of our kids. All they want is your love, your support, irrespective of what they become in their life. Isn't it? What do you say, people? Okay? आप चाहते हैं आपकी बच्चे यही आशाएं आगे बढ़ाएं और हम सबकी आशाएं पूरी करें, तो उनकी भी कुछ आशाएं हैं, तो हमें उनको सपोर्ट करना है, आगे बढ़ाना है. Will you support them? Thank you. Well, let's move ahead and take it forward. Before we go ahead, let me tell you, आज का ये प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे सिर्फ बच्चे आके या हम कुछ आके कह के चले जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. There will be a lot of messages that will be given to you. So I request all of you to keep your minds and ears open and take all the responses that all the messages that we are trying to give you. And mind it, we are also going to ensure and call a few people over here. It could be anyone from that group. So be ready. We'll ensure that you participate in everything that we do today. So are you ready to participate today? I have around 700 people here, and this yes sounds like 100 people are saying. So are you ready today? Brilliant, excellent. So now to go ahead, I'm going to play a tune for you, and you have to identify which tune is that. Can we have the tune, please? Brilliant. Which tune is this? Excellent. That shows how much you listen to music. Great. Now I'm going to call upon Mr. Pradeep, who is the choreographer for our show. And he's going to share certain actions with us on the same tune. For that, and you will have to join along with us. So I request everyone to stand up. Bag, theli, veli, sab side mein rakh do, or just enjoy your today's evening.
आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. जय हो, जय हो. आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. जय हो, जय हो.
Thank you, parents, for participating. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling? I heard sleepy. Oh, thank God. Energetic. Okay, great. Well, let's now move ahead and we have something to share with you right now. And that is the tension of exams that children go through. ऐसे लगता है बच्चों की एग्जाम नहीं हो रही है, हमारी एग्जाम चल रही है. बच्चा पेपर लिख के आएगा, ऐसे लग रहा है हमने पेपर लिखा है. दिन रात हम भगवान की माला जपते हैं और सोचते हैं बच्चा पास हो जाए, पास हो जाए. 100 रुपए का तेल चढ़ाऊंगा, 500 रुपए का मिठाई चढ़ाऊंगी. Isn't it? Don't we do that? This is what exactly our mothers, our playgroup mothers are going to display, that what children go through when the exams are on. Some kids are worried, कोई टेंशन में है, कोई स्ट्रेस में है, कोई रिलैक्स्ड है. पढ़ाई वो तो मम्मी पापा करेंगे, मैं क्यों पढ़ाई करूं, उनको क्यों रखा है. लेकिन there are some kids कुछ इतना स्ट्रेस ले लेते हैं कि उन्हें पता नहीं चलता उन्हें क्या करना है. But they will only know if you tell them that beta, it's all right, whatever you do, I still love you at the end of the day. So let's see what message our mothers are trying to share with us on these exams. So I think these mothers deserve a big, big welcome clap because they have taken a lot of effort on this.
कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी. हाथ में फाइल, मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम. दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. आगे रहने की है टेंशन, मेहनत इनको प्यारी है, एकदम आज्ञाकारी है, आज्ञाकारी है. ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं, ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं, वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते, तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते. दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. यहाँ अलग अंदाज है, जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है, हर काम को टाला करते हैं, ये सपने पाला करते हैं. ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं, ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं, इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं, तितली से मिलने जाते हैं, ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं. ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं, बारिश की बूंदें पड़ते हैं, और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं. क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो. ना, ना, ना. wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
Did you like it? Are you enjoying? Brilliant. You can only encourage in one way. That's a beautiful clap that you can give from sitting out there. Thank you, mothers, my yummy mummies. Thank you. You have done excellent. Let's move ahead. Well, you see something different on me, right? As I promised, I'm going to call a few people over here. Remember मैंने कहा था हम आपको ऐसे चैन से बैठने नहीं देंगे. तो अभी आपकी बारी. I want 5 people over here wearing a chef cap. 5 people, any 5 people from this entire audience, and I want them on the stage. Please wear your cap. Please wear your headgears. I see a lot of people not wearing their headgears. Please wear your headgears. Okay, I have 5 people here. Thank you so much for taking the courage and coming up. Your name, please?
Ketan Gandhi.
Forum.
Navin Joshi.
Sachin Delia.
Hiren Salia.
Thank you and welcome once again.
Okay, what you all have in your hand is peanuts. ये चिप्पेंडेल के big peanuts है. Peanuts पता है शेंगदाना. Okay, so now you all can guess peanuts के ऊपर से कौन सा rhyme आता है? Swallow the peanut. Yes, this is the most favorite rhyme of all the children. Okay, so ये शेफ लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? अभी ये जो rhyme बजेगी उसके ऊपर actions करने. So are you all ready? I will show you the actions and then you all have to do. So ready? Okay. Found a peanut just now. Just now I found a peanut just now. Cracked it open, cracked it open, open it, cracked it open. It was rotten. गंदा है. It was rotten. Throw it. Throw it. It was rotten. It was rotten just now. लेकिन बच्चे लोग क्या करते? Rotten होता है, खराब होता है, लेकिन क्या करते? Eat it anyway. Quickly eat it. Eat it anyway. Rotten होता है फिर भी खाते हैं ना. Stomachache. Just now I got a stomachache. फिर क्या करते हैं? stomachache हुआ तो क्या करते हैं? किसको फोन करते हैं? Call the doctor just now. Just now I called the doctor just now. Okay, thank you so much. So now everybody knows who all are going to come on stage. Doctors आने वाले हैं. Now let's see how our kids are going to perform on the same track. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dadaji, thank you for coming up.
Thank you so much. He is Yashi Joshi's grandfather. He's Dadaji, her Dadaji. आपने इतनी हिम्मत करके आप आए, हमारे बच्चों का प्रोत्साहन बढ़ाया. Thank you so much. Would you like to say something for us?
Thank you very much.
Well, आपने तो हमको चौंका दिया. और भी ऐसे मौके आएंगे जहाँ पर आपको स्टेज पर हम बुलाएंगे और कुछ ना कुछ कराएंगे. सोचिए हमारे बच्चे कैसे करते हैं. How many of us have ever been on a stage? Okay, few hands here, few hands there. Okay, it takes a lot of courage and guts to come up here on the stage. So give one round of applause for all the kids who have taken a lot of effort to make a grand success today. Thank you. Well, let's now move ahead and see what our doctors want to say and see about our peanuts.